Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your bank account on crypto.com. So first step is open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this deposit option, or you can also click on buy or sell. You just have to act like you are buying or depositing anything. So just click on any of this option and then it's going to show you this pop-up menu. From here you have to click on fiat. Then this will bring you this window. From here you have to select your fiat currency. You can set up new fiat currency if you want, but I'm going to select euro. After that, it will show you this pop-up menu where you can see all of your bank accounts. Now to change your bank account, first you need to delete your bank account. So just click on this edit button, or if you don't have this edit button, you can try to swipe left on the name of your bank, and then you will see this icon. So just click on it and then you will find this option remove bank. So just tap on it and then from this confirmation menu again click on remove, and your bank account has been removed. Now you can simply click on this add bank account option to add your new bank account, and from there click on link bank account, and in this screen it's going to open up Plaid. So just click on continue, and from the list of banks select your bank account that you want to add. I'm going to select this Wells Fargo, and from this window you have to click on continue, and now on the screen you have to enter your banking online details, your username, password, and then click on sign on option, and that's it. Your bank account has been linked and your old bank account has been removed. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.